welcome to the Eugene Torto YouTube channel. I want to thank everybody that subscribed so far, and if you haven't, go down there, hit the subscription button. I'm trying to grow the channel. I'm up over 200 subscribers so far, and I want to thank everyone for who subscribed so far. And I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers, and I think I need 4,000 hours of views a year or something like that to get monetized. I'm trying to get monetized. I'm going to keep making these videos whether I do or not. But I would like to get monetized to help pay for all these projects I do. And today's video is going to be about the door panels on my 90 Corvette. I'm just going to work on the passenger side one for now. I got it all apart. The other pieces are in the other room. I'll go over there real quick and show you. Here they are, these other pieces that all bolt to it, not including other stuff that's out in the garage. But I cleaned these all up in the sink. And once I finish that door panel, we'll go back on and I'll show you the results. And back over here. And anyway, I already, I don't know if you can tell in this video, but I already covered this section here. It bolts on from the back. And I need to clean it up. I actually got it dirty. I don't know if you can tell in here. I got it dirty from handling it, but so much trying to press this stuff on. This was very difficult to do because it's concave like that, and getting it to glue and everything. So I'll give it a good cleaning, a good brush in, and get it all out and stuff. And I was going to keep the original. It wasn't bad. It was just dirty as hell. I cleaned it all up and everything, and it didn't look bad, but it did. It just didn't match the carpet, the new carpet. So I decided I'm going to try it anyway. I have considered buying. Let me put this over here. I have considered buying new door panels. I should get one for the driver's side because it's, you know, starting to crack. That's the one that gets most of the wear and tear. And even this one has a small plastic piece broken off that I'm going to have to repair. But they're very expensive. You know, to replace both of them is going to cost you $1,000 and up. I think I've seen it everywhere from $500 to over $600 per door panel. So they're very expensive to replace. The good thing is when you get them, they do come carpeted, and then you would. I'm supposing that carpet will match my carpet if I do decide to order one. But anyway, I'm going to just go over some tips and tricks that I've learned for removing carpet, especially from plastic panels. And one thing I learned is a multi-tool helps a lot. And one thing you do is you take mineral spirits, you know, dampen a rag and wipe this down, and that keeps the glue from sticking to the tool. And also wipe your rubber gloves. If you're wearing rubber gloves like I do, wipe them with the mineral spirits, and it keeps the glue from sticking to the gloves. Same if any type of scraper you're using, put some mineral spirits on it, and voila. Anyway, I'm going to need to heat this up with the hot air gun there and try peeling this off. There's also these rivets. These rivets I'm going to leave in place because I don't have this style of rivets, and I'm not even sure where to get them. I'm sure I could. And they're just there, I think, to keep the screws from going through the plastic, as far as I can tell. So I'm not too worried about them. But one thing is, they are stapled here on the back. This is just vinyl, and you can see how it's just old and falling apart. That's why I want to replace this. But I'm going to get those off, and I'll probably have to use pliers or something. So give me a few seconds here, and I'll be back. Alright, let's see if we can get these suckers out. Apparently they're just coming apart. I may not even have to do that. Yeah, they're just literally falling apart. And they're also glued. Anyway, I'm going to get these staples out and get this part off, and then I'm going to just go ahead. Let me see if this is even in the camera good. And anyway, I'm going to go ahead, get these staples off and all this, and then I'll just jump ahead to the I'll just skip this and jump ahead to the part where I get this glue off here. uh, then I'll be back to you there shortly. All right, ah. Okay, I'm back, and you can see I already started with the multi-tool, and I'm hoping you guys can see this. I'm trying to get the best angle I can. I don't have like a forward viewfinder that I can see that I'm aiming correctly, so what I can do is hope I get it right. But you can see where I already started it. And this just makes it so much. And you can see the glue sticking to it, so every now and then I got to stop. This blade does get hot. Now they do have different blades, like this one's serrated, so you have to be careful not to cut through the plastic. They do make wide, flat ones with no serration. That would probably be better, but this is what I have, so that's what I'm using. And wipe it down. Should probably soak that rag more, but see how the glue sticks to the gloves. I need to wipe one more mineral oil here, so definitely need to get more mineral oil. This isn't mineral oil, by the way. I keep saying mineral oil, it's mineral spirits. I like these mineral. I've been started using this mineral spirits for cleaning, especially for cleaning greasy, oily stuff. I used it to clean a bunch of electrical wiring. I'll leave a link up there to that. And it works really good. And it also, you know, it has mineral oil in it, so it helps, especially with plastics and stuff. You know, the mineral oil helps to soften things up, keep them hard and brittle. At least in my opinion, it does. But, ooh, this is really stuck on here now. Get my gloves all glued up. I imagine I could fill a little pan with mineral spirits and just keep dipping this in there too, if I wanted to. But here we go. Like I said, I hope you're all seeing this. In fact, let me move this around. See how that is. This camera is a real wide angle, and so it makes it hard to get close-ups. There we go. Just throw that over there for now, I guess. Okay, this is going really quick. The hard part, it's probably going to take long, and is just getting all the old stuff off. As you can see, it's ready for a wipe down already. You can see how it just keeps sticking to the gloves, even with the mineral spirits. So I need to get more mineral spirits on there. Try some. I think I'm going to dip this right in the mineral spirits in a pan. But anyway, I'm going to get back to this. And I'm not going to keep boring you with this, so I'm going to end the video here, and I'll get back to you. And maybe I'll just post the video right here and then get back to you in a future video. Because I got a lot of things to do today. I'm planning on just getting this off, and I got some running around to do. I'd rather be out driving the vet, but, you know, get these things done and do that at the same time, it's just impossible. So anyway, I want to thank everyone for watching. I'll get back when the product's finished. Please leave comments below, and everybody have a great day, and God bless.